don't you run when you hear the sirens coming? When you hear the sirens coming, you better not run, 'cause the sirens not coming for you. What have you done? You went to school that day. Was a bit late, but it was a Monday. You kept after class for answering back. You apologized, what's the harm in that? What have you done? There's no need to run. If you've done nothing wrong, blue lights should just pass you by. Gun crime into your right ear, drugs and violence into your left. People with headphones flooding the auditory subconscious ways you accept. You're sitting on the floor back home. Where you at, G? Answer your phone. Pause the poison to answer his message. Your voice sounds rushed, his voice at the lesson. What have you done? There's no need to run. If you've done nothing wrong, blue lights should just pass you by. Tall black shadow as you're getting off the bus. Shadow shows no emotion, so what's even the fuss? But the face on your boy casts a darker picture of the red-handed act he's gonna whisper. Lil' blood, I'm sorry, 'cause I know you got my back. He was running, I couldn't think I had to get out of that. Not long ago, you were miming to the shook ones. Now this really is part 2, 'cause you're the shook one. Hands you the tool as you question your friendship as men like you. Gonna make me a convict, level of a felon when I've done nothing wrong. Blood on my hands, but I don't know where it's from. No, you got blood on your hands, but you don't know where it's from. No, so you better run when you hear the sirens coming. Oh, you better run when you hear the sirens coming. Don't run when you hear the sirens coming. Better run when you hear the sirens coming. When you hear the sirens coming, the blue lights are coming with you. So what have you done? There's no need to run. If you've done nothing wrong, blue lights should just pass you by. No, yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Heart's the coldest, scars and roses, yeah. Welcome to the jungle that we call home. Get you high for the low, whip a nine on the stove, hit my line. Just let me know where you are. I'm in this ride, all alone. 36 edge, trying to make it home. Hit my line, just let me know where you are. Heart's the coldest, guns and roses, yeah. Welcome to the jungle that we call home. Car approaching, start unloading. HMP where I won't go. And if I did, would you ride? Or would you go? I need to know. How can I sign for 100 grand when I counted that last week? Duffel bag or the transit van when I'm dropping off a half beat. That's TT, roar again, I know that petrol smell. Face mask and some rubber gloves. If they see what I got, I ain't leaving from this holding cell. Razor blade just to get this car. Heart's the coldest,